Ghana Premier League Matchday 30 no abewe results and league table Goalking no why na a lady why na to aso nyina wa ha me bro. Last Friday in the Chelsea Legon Cities echi Great Olympics twa no 2-1 e wo fie brekum Chelsea etena fie share Kotoko 2-1 Nations FC and so share Accra Lions by 1-0. Yes, Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex. Let us say few victories no eto so sa in an order. Yes, and then the so Accra so folk there otena fie elusu ye to Aduana, as you can see on the screen. House of Folk 0, Aduana 1, and Bichim United and so etena fie share Karela. FC Samates etena fie etumre share Bofo Akwatano by 3-0. Yes, nso atreman enso tumre ewo nso atreman fie ho share Goal Stars by 4-0, and a Mediama enso tena fie share Real Tamale United by 1-0. Real Tamale United say no on the last Dreams FC etena fie lose to Heart of Lions. Hey, one of the shocking results are APM this weekend. Matchday 30 no. They say league table no say and I from quickly Samates a lady with 55 points. Samates number 1, 55 points after 30 games. Nations FC Taneto with 48 points. And also second position, third position Adriana Eba Oklusu Gabno on team friend Nations FC with 46 points. Fourth position, Mediama with 46 points. Insuatre fifth position with 45 points. Sixth position here Bichim 44 points. Accra Lions a quarter 7 with 44 points. Eighth position here Brekum Chelsea 44 points. And ninth position here Legon Cities or standard of 41 points. And also the Horono Kumasi Asante Kotoko era Sujina or 10th position with 40 points. And BBN Goal Stars a Taneto and also 40 points or 11th position, 12th position or a phobia and Kahas to me say and come over with Batiki Kotoko. But went to me and also 12th position with 38 points, 13th position Karela 37 points. Yeah, take a relegation. No. Now 14th position here Heart of Lions 35 points. And at Dreams FC 3 outstanding games and also 35 points. And relegation zone for the Great Olympics 33 points. But for Kwatano and also 33 points. And Real Tamale United got 28 points. And also Ededa Aseho Waswa teams Nina. It is say Sanaye the Ghana Premier League table. Now on to the Goalking charts. Stephen Amankuna Brekum Chelsea forward no. We're jumping ahead with 14 goals. No 12 goals and then no share 1. And now I'm say mistake be by. And now I'm go back on ako credit by live score near the enemy who watching on social media. But according to the everybody almost 14 goals, but I'm doubtful say be about 13. I'm yet to clarify that. Made in Chimubeba later. Hamza Issa 12 goals. And also the second. Mukwala 12 goals. And also live also. And Ivan Sosé Wusu Samates 11 goals. Boatin a free Nations FC forward no what that 10 watch a goals article. See there no more videos ever super.